Shout open.
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 Surprise! It's what is this one?
Like a wrap.
Black and white zebra. Can you guess the sounds of a zebra?
Hee-haw.
Hee-haw! The zebra goes hee-haw! Yay! Okay, another one. Say open. Open.
Open.
Surprise! It's a big giant elephant. Can you guess the sounds of elephant?
Trumpet.
Okay, elephant goes
Trumpet.
trumpet, trumpet. Yay! Another one. Say open, open, open. Surprise! It's a cute little duck. Can you guess the sounds of a duck? What is the sounds of a duck? Yay! The duck goes quack, quack, quack. Yay! The next one. Shout open, open.
Open.
Surprise! It's an orange and black tiger. Can you guess the sounds of a tiger? Wow, tiger goes
Wow.
yay! Let's put the tiger here. Come on. For the last one, say open, open.
Open.
Surprise! It's the king of the jungle, the mighty lion.
Mighty lion.
Yes. What is the sounds of a mighty lion? Wow, the lion goes roar, roar. Yay!